home. Right, students? Now, 6th chapter is about the Riya's journey. Right? Riya जो गांधीधाम से ट्रेन में बैठी है और उसको कहाँ तक जाना है, वापी तक जाना है ना। तो 6th चैप्टर में वो गांधीधाम से बैठ के नडियाद तक का वो लेसन है। उसके बाद 7th चैप्टर जो है वो बड़ौदा से लेके वापी तक पहुंचने तक का है। ओके, अब ये लेसन जो है वापी पहुंच गए हैं। रिया कहाँ जा रही थी, मामा के घर पे, राइट। तो वहां पहुंच के वो मामा के घर में क्या क्या चीज एंजॉय करती है उसके बारे में लेसन है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग जर्नी बाय ट्रेन वी रीच वापी। नाउ ट्रेन reached at the Vapi. Mama's home is nearby the station. Now it is very nearer to the mama's house to the station. So he came to pick up us. Mama came to pick up the Riya's family. Seal and Arnav also come with the mama. These are both are the children of the mamas, right? Seal and Arnav. Okay, they are mama's children. Okay, they are very happy to see me and Himaks. And both the children are very happy to see the Riya and the Himaks. We hugged each other, all the hugging each other. Okay. We hired the 2 auto rickshaw from the station to reach Mama's house. They got took the 2 auto rickshaw to reach the Mama's house. I was feeling very sleepy. Now Riya feeling very sleepy because it is too long journey, right? Okay. I slept. After some time, mother woke up me. Riya sleep, and then after mother woke up the Riya. Parents took bath and got ready. Both Riya's parents took a bath and ready for, and fresh is there. Himaks and I also took bath to get ready, and Himaks and Riya also took the bath. Then after we sat together and had our meal, and then all are the sitting together to take the meal. Mama said, take rest for some times, then we will go to Daman, and then after they are going to trip for the Daman. Okay, we got ready to go to the Daman, and all are the ready for the Daman. Mama's family was also going to come with us, and Mama's family also came with the Riya's family. We reached bus station by auto rickshaw, and all are the take the auto rickshaw to reach the bus station. From there, by bus we reach at Jampur beach of the Daman, and where the bus reach is the Jampur beach of the Daman. There was a crowd on the beach. So many crowd are there on the beach. People had come for fun at the seashore. All the people are wandering and take the enjoyment of the seashore. What is the meaning of the seashore? It is the Darya Kinara, right? Okay. Some people were sailing around the sea in the boat, and some people are sailing in the boat to the sea. Some were riding on the horse, and some people riding on the horse near the sea bank. Okay. Some were on the camel, some also riding on the camel. Little children were making sand house at the seashore, and the little children making the sand castle. Sand का घर बनाते थे, है ना? Okay, I really enjoy by seeing all this, and the Riya was very happy to see all the scenario. Himaks, Sri, Arnav, and I also said to make the sand house, and all the 4 children set up and make the sand house. We enjoy a lot playing in the sand. All the children enjoyed very much playing in the sand. Meanwhile, Mama bought ticket for the boat, and Mama took the ticket for the boat. We sailed across the sea in the forest. In the boat. All are the sitting and sail into the boat in sea. First, I was afraid to get in the boat. Now, Riya afraid to sail in the sea, but then after she enjoyed. I sat next my mother, and Riya sat to the next to the mother. We enjoyed boat in the sea. After that, we went for a horse and camel riding, and then after sea sailing, they rode the camel and horse riding. Okay. Later we had our snack by at the shore, and then after they take the snack up in the seashore. Okay. Now students, up to here we have to explain this lesson. Now another lesson, next part we see in the next video. Now we see the CW part. Okay. First one, this one you have to write in the CW. Okay. First number, fill in the blanks it is. First number, Riya's family went on the trip to blanks beach in the Daman. Which beach is there? It is the Jampur, right? Jampur beach is there. Okay. Second number, the children made blanks castle on the sea beach. Which castle they made? It is the made sand castle, है ना? सैंड का castle बनाया था, सैंड का house बनाया था. Third number, Riya sat in the boat and had a ride in the sea. Riya sat in the boat and ride in the sea and sailed in the sea. Okay. Fourth number, at the beach, the evening sky was looking. At the beach, evening sky is look like the colorful. Okay. So here we have to write the colorful. 5 number, Riya and her mama's family went to the beach of the blanks to enjoy themselves. Where the Riya's and the mama's family went to the enjoyment? It is close to the which beach? It is the beach in the Daman. Okay. So here we have to write Daman. Okay, students, have you understand? Now open your workbook, page number 55. We see choose the correct word. This is the workbook part and page number 55. Okay. First number, where did Riya's uncle stay? Riya के uncle कहाँ रहते थे? That means the mama, right? It is live in the Vapi. Second number, which of the following information is not there on a train ticket? तो कौन सा जो है ट्रेन की टिकट के ऊपर लिखा नहीं होता है? तो ट्रेन के टिकट के ऊपर एड्रेस एंड पैसेंजर, एड्रेस ऑफ द पैसेंजर नहीं लिखा होता है. बाकी सब नेम वगैरह सब लिखा होता है, लेकिन एड्रेस ऑफ द पैसेंजर जो है वो नहीं लिखा होता. ओके. थर्ड नंबर, where did Riya's family go for a trip for her uncle's house? Go for the trip of the Daman. कहाँ गए थे? कौन सी ट्रिप पे गए थे? अंकल के घर पे पहुँच के, वापी पहुँच के वो दमन के लिए ट्रिप में गए थे. फोर्थ नंबर, what did Riya and her brother do on the Jampur beach? Jampur beach में उन्होंने क्या किया? Made sand castle. Okay? Made sand castle. 5 number, in what did Riya have a ride in the sea? In the sea, Riya had a ride in a boat. In a boat. फिर यहाँ पे हॉर्स और कैमल मत लिखना, क्योंकि सी लिखा है ना? सी में कैमल और हॉर्स चलता है नहीं. 6 number, how did the sun look in the evening on the beach? बीच में सन शाम को कैसा लग रहा था? It looked to be going down in the sea. जैसे कि वो सी के अंदर डूबता चला जा रहा हो, ऐसा सिनेरियो इवनिंग टाइम पे सन का देखने मिलता है बीच में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, have you understand? Now look at here. Here filling the blanks is there which we have already taken in the CW. Okay. Now if you don't understand, then see video again and again. Okay students, bye bye.